some interesting news which would be a ray of light for many in regards to this coronavirus pandemic that we have. 4 drugs shortlisted for COVID-19 cure trials, and these drugs have already shown some good results when tested on animals. Of course, that does not mean that it's necessarily going to work for human beings, but it just means that they are on their way to hopefully finding a cure and a solution for this coronavirus. Now, they include remdesivir, drug initially developed for the treatment of Ebola, the HIV drug Kaletra, and a combination of Kaletra and intravena beta, which are used to treat nerve disease. These are part of those which are being proposed to be tried on human beings, and they have been shortlisted to now go on to the next stage of being tested and ensuring that we, of course, or rather they follow every precaution that is required. And some of these are the likes of chloroquine and hydrochloroquine, which is in the past been used to treat malaria. So they've been shortlisted for the cure of coronavirus COVID-19. That, of course, does not mean that they have been confirmed to cure. It's purely just a process that is being followed, and hopefully that process will yield fruit. As to how soon that's going to happen, we don't know yet, and we can only hope but pray. But of course, apart from that, ensure that we do what we need to do and follow the guidelines given by the Ministry of Health and also by the World Health Organization, and that is to wash our hands frequently by use of water and soap. That's running water and soap. Also, to use sanitizers, to wear masks whenever you're out and about, and to ensure that we keep a healthy social distance, which is 2 meters and above. So, of course, that being the recommendations that we've been given. Virus fight deals blow to war on desert locusts, and coronavirus-linked fight restrictions are hampering efforts to wipe out locust swarm in the verge of a devastating crop in East Africa. Of course, we do know that one of the issues that we've had is the issue of locust invasion, but because of the coronavirus, that took a backstage in terms of concentration, and the priority was on the coronavirus. So that, of course, means that the locusts have had a field day, but that is likely to hit us hard and much, much harder later, as we are likely to experience a very, very poor crop yield. And that's in East Africa. Of course, again, talking about being food secure becomes a piped dream for many East African countries, given that that has taken us quite a number of steps back. On page 4,